In today's video, I'm going to generate done for you articles with this tool over here. Use this tool over here to turn those articles and topics into done for you content over here, and then use this text to speech generator to overlay on your video to make the perfect YouTube video. All of this is being done with artificial intelligence. You don't need to record any of your own content. You don't need to write any of your own articles. You don't need to record your own voice. You don't even need a camera for this. And take a listen to this tool over here.
Welcome to the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel.
That sounds pretty good, and I'm going to show you how we can overlay this on the done for you video that we've created from this artificial intelligence tool that's generated us our topic and article idea. So in a nutshell, we're generating an article, turning that into a video, and then overlaying that text on top of this video to make the perfect interactive video for our audience. I'm going to show you up to 3 streams of income that we can use to make money off this done for you content, also using short video platforms and then the power of YouTube. And I'm going to show you how we can turn this done for you content that these artificial intelligence tools have made for us over here into hundreds, even up to thousands of dollars every single day in over 3 different streams of income, which I'm going to be talking about in today's video. So the first way that you need to get started is what's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your No BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to follow that journey with me, make sure to go and subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 2 main artificial intelligence tools, including a third one over here that will turn and generate us done for you content, done for you videos, and a done for you voice, which we can add over our videos, including a done for you software that will put all of this content together for you. And then I'm going to be speaking about up to 3 ways that we can make money online with these videos over here. Some YouTube channels doing this are making over thousands of dollars every single day without the monetization requirement. You can make money off of these videos without having to be monetized on YouTube yet. And I find using this type of content, it gets a lot of watch time, a lot of audience retention, which means your channel can get monetized quickly with this. And I'm going to show you the power of using short video platforms to really boost the monetization process of your channel and set a challenge for yourself to achieve that in your first month. So the first thing that you need to go and do is identify a niche that you want to tackle with a specific strategy. So we can come over to Google and just go and search best YouTube niche. And over here, you will find a whole bunch of categories or websites that will give you the best niches to make money online with YouTube. So over here, we can go and have a look. What are the most profitable YouTube niches? If we go and open this up, it will give you a whole list over here. If you just scroll down, a bunch of different niches to use. So for example, we've got make money online in finance, social media marketing, finance and investing, educational videos, photography and filmmaking. I recommend go and choose a niche that you enjoy, because what's better than building a career out of something that you like? So if you're into, for example, bodybuilding and fitness, go and use this strategy to build a business around that. If you're into cars, you can go and build a business using the strategy with the done for you content. I'm even going to give you some good examples in the car niche, as in today's video we're going to be using the car niche over here, as any of this will work with the strategy, because the best thing is YouTube virality and blowing up applies to any niche. So once you've decided on a niche, and I've decided on cars for the purpose of this video, we need to come over to this website over here called writesonic.com. Now in today's video, I've spoken about this video or this website a couple of times before, but in today's video, we're going to be using this in quite a different way. We're not just going to be creating articles and then submitting that on websites. We're actually going to be using this website to generate us done for you content for this website over here, which will turn that entire article into a done for you video, which we can use for our channel. So we want to go and click on start writing for free over here. You can use the completely free platform. You don't need to pay for this tool. I'm going to sign in with my Google account and meet you on the dashboard. Once you've signed in with your account, your dashboard is going to look something like this. And quickly, before we dive straight into writing our articles and content ideas, I want you to take note of what other tools this tool has to offer. So over here, we've got done for you Facebook ads. You can create done for you product descriptions for different products that you're perhaps selling on your e-commerce store. You can go and get TikTok video hook ideas. Google Ads and descriptions done for you. You can generate done for you landing pages, entire real estate listing descriptions done for you, emails, cold emails, which we can use for our email automation campaigns, Amazon sponsored brands, which you can automatically generate that for your Amazon ads, Amazon product titles, company bios, growth ideas. This tool really offers some gems on this website. But in today's video, we're going to be using the AI article and blog writer over here. So click on the first one over here. It will then load up a page like this. Click on AI article writer 3.0. which is the updated version. And for our topic over here, since we're talking about cars, we can go and look on Google, popular car news. We just want to find some trending ideas right now. What is trending in the car niche? So if I go and open up this, for example, over here, topgear.com car news 2022. And for example, we've got some ideas over here that we can go and use. So if we've got over here, the 1000 bhp Nissan GTR engine pickup truck is an article that we can go and talk about. We've got over here, for example, a closer look on the brand new BMW i7. So what we can go and do is we can go and use this example for our video idea. So we can go and type here BMW i7 and we can go and click on generate ideas over here, and it will give you title ideas that we can use for our video or article regards to the BMW i7. So over here we can go and choose, for example, the BMW i7, the future of luxury. That's quite a nice title idea. We can then click on generate intro, so it'll generate the introduction of our article. And remember, a video is structured the exact same way. This website is just generating an article, which we then going to turn into a done for you video. So over here we can go and choose, for example, this one over here. We can click on this introduction. We can then go and click on generate outlines, which is basically your index page, like section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So over here, we can go and choose this one, section 1 to 7. And then finally, we can go and click on write article over here, and it will write for us the done for you article on the BMW i7 review, which makes a perfect YouTube topic idea, which we're going to use the next tool to generate into a done for you video. And as you can see over here, our article is now done for you. Title, introduction, the entire body, and the conclusion over here. So now what we can do is we want to leave this open in a tab for later, so we can go and copy and paste this. The next platform you want to go to, and this is super important that you follow with me, because now we're going to learn how to turn this entire article into a done for you video. We want to come over to a website called invideo.io. Again, you can go and sign up for the completely free account or free platform. I'm going to go and log in with my existing account and meet you on the dashboard. And once you've signed into InVideo, your dashboard will look something like this. You want to go and click on text to video over here. Start off by going to click on wide 16.9 resolution, which is the resolution required for YouTube. We can go and choose any template that you think fits your niche over here. So since we're talking about cars, we want to go and use something or a template that has to do with cars. So I quite like this one over here. We can go and choose this one with this car. And what's nice is about this tool, it will actually give you pictures, done for you content in the video relative to the topic of your article. In this case, the BMW i7. So we can go and click on use this template over here. We can go and add our headline. So go and copy your headline. That is the BMW i7, the future of luxury. And then your story over here. And then for your story, just go and copy your entire story. Just this is, so we can go right click, copy, come over to invideo.io, paste this over here, click on next, click on rearrange text, click on next again, and it will automatically generate this video in just a couple of seconds. And once this is done, take a look at your video. It will give you the introduction scene, each and every section into a done for you scene over here. So for example, if I go and click on preview all over here, take a look at this. As you can see, all we're missing at the moment is a narrative view of the text over here. So it's good and all having our video with the text showing on screen in each and every scene, but I think this video will be topped off with having a narrator speaking over our video. So what we can go and do is we can come over to a website called wellsaidlabs.com. You can create a completely free account over here as well. Once you've signed in with your account, the dashboard will look something like this, where you can type any kind of text. So we can go and copy, for example, the title, paste this over here. We can then click on enter. We can go and copy, for example, the first sentence over here for scene 1, for example. The luxury car market is in a state of lux. So we can go and paste this over here. And if you click on create, take a look at this.
BMW i7, the future of luxury. The luxury car market is currently in a state of flux. Fuel consumption and CO2 emission standards.
And just like that, it turns this entire text into a done-for-you audio file, which you can download to your PC over here. Then all you need to do is come over to invideo.io, go and download this done-for-you video over here, click on 720p or 1080p, click on export, and it will export this video to your PC, ready to upload to YouTube. And once it's done rendering, click on download over here, and this video will then download to your PC. The only thing we need to do left is, after our video has now been created, is overlay our voice audio files that match up with the video over here with a free editing software. For example, you can go and use OpenShot.org, which is one of my favorite free video editing softwares on the internet, especially if you don't have a budget and you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on Sony Vegas or Adobe Premiere. This is nearly the exact same kind of tool, except it's open source and completely free for Windows, MacBook, and Linux over here. And all you need to do is drag on the video that you've just downloaded onto this form and drag your audio files below it that match up with the text. Once you've done that, you're ready to upload to YouTube, and you need to do the following in order to do so. That's going to lead us to the last and final step of this video, is to go and optimize our video for YouTube to rank on the top pages of Google and YouTube with keyword research. So over here, I've got a brand new tool open up on my screen over here. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. But if you come over to the keyword section of this tool, click on keywords, it's going to take you up to a section where you need to type in a keyword. So we can go and type here, for example, BMW i7 review, go and click on research keywords, and it will load up a whole bunch of keywords with their source, the recommendation of use, and keywords that we should use for the title of our video. For example, we can go and use this keyword over here. You want to then go over to video details over here, and we are going to generate a done for you title, tags, and description for our YouTube video based on this keyword to rank on the top pages of Google and YouTube. So we can go and click on generate details over here, go and paste your main keyword, go and click on any one of these titles over here, click on next step. You then want to go and choose a secondary keyword, for example, BMW 7 Series or new 2022 BMW 7 Series. Other suggestions, you can go and choose any 3 of these over here. Click on next step and click on generate details. And now take a look at this. If I click on this keyword, it's going to generate a done for you title, descriptions, and tags. All we want to do is just go and change our title over here to the title that was generated from Article Writer on Writesonic, Video Marketing Blaster, and just replace your title with the title over here. Keep your descriptions and tags the same over here. So this tool that I use to generate this is called videomarketingblaster.com, which, as it says, 3 clicks are all you need to rank on Google and YouTube, and you'll be able to generate a tidal wave, retargeted traffic instantly without knowing SEO, building backlinks, or writing any content. So over here, you'll see this tool only costs $27 once off. There's no monthly fee. I'm not an affiliate for this tool. You can come over straight to the website over here, videomarketingblaster.com. Once you've got that, we need to go and create a thumbnail for our video over here. So now we have our title, tags, and description. The only thing left we need is a thumbnail that will have a good click-through rate. So I'm going to go and use this thumbnail tool over here that gives me over 100 different templates of thumbnails to go and choose from. You can see over here, I can scroll down forever and ever and choose from any one of these templates. So what we can go and do is we want to go and look for specifically a car template thumbnail that we can go and use. I'm going to reveal this tool just in a bit as well. All right, so I found this one over here. this one over here called Local Business Seller Car. We're going to go and click on Use Template, and it's going to open up this thumbnail in the live drag and drop editor over here, which we can just go and change the text and the image. So firstly, we want to delete this picture of the McLaren as it's not relative to the BMW i7. I downloaded this picture over here of a transparent background image of the BMW i7, which I'm just going to replace instead of the McLaren. I'm going to show you now once this pops up, just like that, so we can stretch this open full screen like that, move this picture up, and over here, this for sale sign we can delete completely, and we want to type the following text, BMW i7. We can go and put this text up here, for example. Let's just go and change the color, for example, maybe a white. And we can go and type here for this text, the future. Then scroll down, click on duplicate element over here. There will be a button that says duplicate element. Duplicate, so it copies it. And we can type here of luxury. We can make this a little bit smaller like that. And just like that, we have a done for you thumbnail. We can now go and click on save as JPEG image over here. And this entire tool that I use to do this is called thumbnailblaster.com, which is an artificial intelligence thumbnail creating tool that gives me hundreds of different templates, just like I showed you. And this tool over here costs $37 once off. It is also a paid tool, but there's no hidden monthly fees or anything like that. You'll see over here if I scroll all the way down to the bottom over here, $36.86. And I'm also not an affiliate for this tool, so if you want to try this out for your YouTube content, you can go and you can come over straight to this website.com. I don't get any commissions talking about this. I use this program for my YouTube channel. That's why I recommend it. So now you have the artificial intelligence tool over here that has generated a done for you article. This tool over here that has turned this entire article into a done for you video. This tool over here called wildsaidlabs.com that turns all of the text in your video into voice, which you can overlay on your video. Fourthly, we have Video Marketing Blaster that generates done for you title, tags, and descriptions to go and rank on YouTube and Google. And then fifthly, we have Thumbnail Blaster that just generated us a done for you thumbnail, which will increase our click-through rates. So right now we have everything in place to go and upload this to YouTube, to go and get views, to go and get revenue, and to go and get monetized. And finally, how to go and make money off of your videos without even being monetized yet. So I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can make money. As I said in the beginning of this video, we're going to go over 3 ways, which the first way is YouTube ad revenue. And secondly, affiliate products on clickbank.com. So for example, if you're in the health and fitness niche, you can go and click on health and fitness and take a look at all of these affiliate products that you can go and promote over here. For example, this product over here called T-Burn, which is obviously a weight loss product, you are going to get $125 per sale that you make. Secondly, a second way to go and make money from this is Teespring. Go and sell your own merch, backpacks, caps, bags, phone covers, t-shirts, and you can go and upload different car logos on your t-shirts and all your different packages that you offer of Teespring based on the kind of videos that you're posting on YouTube. So you can make money through affiliate marketing and selling merch through Teespring, and once you monetized, through ad revenue as well. So now you have 3 ways that you can earn off of your YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. My camera has just died because it's overheated, but I'm going to leave 2 playlists on the screen over here. One called How to Grow Your YouTube Channel, which will go through all tips and tricks and strategies I've used in the past to grow my YouTube channel and my content-based business. And then secondly, my affiliate marketing playlist over here, which will teach you about creating your own funnels, different traffic methods, different products you can promote, how to create your own email automation campaigns, your own landing pages, your own checkout systems. And these 2 together, just like the strategy I've showed you, plugged into one system, is a very good sweet spot for an affiliate marketer and content creator to make big money online. So what I recommend is choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.